And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like so. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Starter. I'm going to be working on 2020 Hyundai Sonata. It is also suitable for 2020 through 2023 models. For this specific product, you must have a push button start system in your car. And if you don't have a push button start system in your car, we have a different video for you. So this product is 100% plug and play, it's easy to install it, and it syncs with your original key fob. You don't have to have anything extra on your keychain. Now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're gonna get a set of wires, it's a T-harness, and a module. For this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. On the left side is 1, 2, 3 are down, 4 is up, and on the right side, everything is up. Now we're gonna take this panel out right underneath the glove box. All we do is we press a small pin, pull it down, one in the middle, it's already pulled down, and one on the left side. So it's only 3 pins. Basically what you're doing is you're squeezing this pin like this, up and down. So we're going to be working under the glove box, and we're going to be working on those 3 connectors, red, blue, and green. Just so we have a little better access to them, we're going to disconnect these 2 connectors. This gray one and a black one. And all you do is you press this pin and pull it out. Same thing we're going to do with those 3 ones. It is a little bit tight up there, but you're going to be able to pull them out. Once you unplug these 3 connectors, we're going to connect them into a T-harness. Just match colors with color, green with green. Just like that. Make sure it's all the way in. Blue with blue. And red or pink with pink. Just like so. And these 3 connectors will go back into your car's module. Make sure you start with the green one, which is closer to us, and then blue, and then red. And now we're going to connect it to the MyKey Premium module. The data connector goes first. This is the data connector. And the power connector. It goes always last. Just like that. And now we're good to go. But before you put everything back together, make sure you test it first. And once everything works as it should, we're gonna put this panel all the way up there and put your other panel back. And make sure to plug these 2 connectors back into your car's module. Just like that, make sure it's all the way in. And we're good to go. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like so. And here you go, the car started. And once you're inside the car is still running and it's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is press the brake, put in gear, and you're good to go. You're also going to have an additional feature. Automatic door lock and unlock. Once I approach the car will automatically unlock itself, and once I leave the car will lock itself. To activate the additional feature, the automatic door lock and unlock, all you have to do is press the brake, lock the doors, and press the lock button twice on the key. Just like that. You're either gonna hear 1 click or 2 clicks. 2 clicks means the function is activated, and 1 click, the function is off. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. Please leave a comment down below if you use this video to install the remote start on your car. Thank you. Bye 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 bye.